Hello, I'm Dan Lyles with Lyles Insurance. In this video, I'm going to help you go through the steps of getting Indiana non-owner SR22 auto insurance quotes. For many Indiana drivers who've had their license suspended and are trying to get their license back, buying an SR22 auto insurance policy is usually the last step you need to take. But what if you don't have a vehicle? You can't buy regular auto insurance without a vehicle, so now what? The solution is to buy a non-owner's auto insurance policy. Its official name is a named operator auto insurance policy. It's a special type of auto insurance made just for drivers who don't have a vehicle, but they need liability coverage. And if you need an SR22 filing or an SR50 filing, which I'll talk more about later, both can be attached to a named operator policy just like it can regular auto insurance. And if you buy a vehicle later on, the good thing about this policy is you can easily convert it to a regular auto insurance policy in just a few minutes. Let me quickly go over what an SR22 is and what it does. Contrary to popular belief, an SR22 is not auto insurance. It just attaches onto some type of auto insurance policy. It acts as a monitor, or a tattletale as I like to call it. It lets the Indiana BMV know that you're carrying the liability coverage you're supposed to be carrying, and if you ever cancel on a policy, the insurance company is required by law to notify the BMV, and then your license will be suspended again until you either reinstate the policy or put a new policy with another SR22 in place of it. Also, let me go over an SR50 filing because this is going to impact a small percentage of you, especially those of you who have had your license suspended prior to 2013. In the past, Indiana always used SR50s instead of the SR22s. In 2013, the law changed and they did away with the SR50s. And then they went completely to the SR22s that most other states use. But drivers who were charged before the law changed can still be grandfathered into the old SR50. However, very few companies still write SR50s. They only write SR22s. The good news is you're allowed to substitute an SR22 and work in place of an SR50, and you're not held to the higher standard an SR22 carries, but the substitution will work just fine for you. If you're having trouble finding an SR22 named operator policy, your best bet's to find an independent agent that specializes in SR22, also known as high-risk auto insurance. An independent agent can quote you with multiple SR22 friendly companies at once, giving you a much higher chance of finding the lowest rate. For those of you who live in Ohio, Indiana, Michigan, Pennsylvania, Virginia, or West Virginia, if you would like for me to personally run you a non-owner's quote, I'll be very happy to do so. I've posted a link there on the video that'll take you to a quote page on my website where you can get a quote online, and I will run the rates and see who comes out the lowest. I'll also post that link below the videos to make it easier for you to click on. Or if you just want to get a quote by phone, I've also listed my phone number. Thank you for watching and have a great day.